Welcome to Vermont Lavender. Thank you for joining me today. And these are the finished rosemary peppermint shower steamers, and I did a little sample for my customers, so I'll have little sample packs. And they purchase something, they can try it out. And those are the star ones right there in the blue container. Those were difficult to do, so I'm not sure I would actually suggest using that mold right there, the blue one. The Cada mold one though, for these here, oh, those are just beautiful. Highly recommend that one. And this mold here is really nice, and also that one there for the samples. But the blue one here, the turquoise blue, that was really difficult, so that's good for like lotion bars and maybe little soap in beds and things like that. Let's just flip them over. And all my products are made in small batches. I don't do a lot of industrial batches of things, of items. Soap, you can do that. You can make quite a bit, large batches. Oh, all right, let's pop this out. Okay, these turned out really nice. So I'll put a little bit of decoration on those and put it in my little basket here. These are so cute, aren't they cute? Just arranging them so I can put them all in. So quite a few stars. Put all these in. I just have to package it like this until I can get to actually decorating them. Everything's done in stages, it seems like. Because I make quite a bit of stuff and then, oh no, now I gotta package it. It's time to package it. I'm going to be heading out. So these are ones that are really, they're very, very small. I think they're perfect for like samples. So I just want to make a few because there's some people that have never tried shower steamers. And I think it's a good idea to have some little samples that you can give out, and then they're like, oh wow, I really love this, really enjoy it, and it's really cute. So I'll put it in a little sleeve, a little wax paper thing, glassine bag, and I'll put the label on the back, and my customers could have that as samples.